What's up mga ka-RM? Welcome back to RM Hobby Collection, where we unbox, review, and of course, bringing your favorite collectibles to life. So for today's video, we will be unboxing the Dragon Ball Super 10th Anniversary Master Lies Father and Son Kamehameha featuring Goku and Gohan. So let's unbox and of course, let's find out if this is one of the best Dragon Ball display piece by Bandai Spirits. So tara, samahan niyo ko. So guys, back showcase muna tayo. Let's appreciate first the box of the figure. So ayan siya guys. So it's absolutely beautiful. Front pa lang guys, makikita mo na agad yung iconic Father and Son Kamehameha pose. Dito siya. So, napakalinis ng design. So, perfect siya. Perfect yung background niya kasi white. Diba yung box niya? So, it matches the figures with a colorful artwork ng Bandai Spirits. Yan. So, on the side, ayan, ano ba ang side niya? Ayan, on first side. And then, the other side, ayan. So, there's a illustration of Gohan and Goku. Ayan. So, guys, sa mga MISB collector dyan ng mga Dragon Ball, perfect itong figure na to para sa inyo. Ayan. So, of course, from the bottom, wala. And of course, from the top. Ayan yung top niya. So, nakikita nyo na yung facial expressions nila Goku and Gohan. So, again, guys, this is Dragon Ball 10th Anniversary. Saan na ba yan? Nakasulat din siya minsan kasi sa box. Ito siya. Ayan. And then, Master Lies. Ayan, Master Lies. By Bandai Spirits. Ito siya. Ayan, by Bandai Spirits. Ayan. Ayan, tignan niyo ulit. So, guys, moment of truth na tayo. So, kailangan na natin buksan yung figure natin. So, as you can see, guys, sealed pa yung figure natin. Sealed pa siya. Yan, from the top and from the bottom, of course, hindi pa siya nabubuksan. So, tayo ang unang magbubukas ng ating figure. So, unbox na natin. So, moment of truth na to, guys. Meron pa pala from the sides. May tape pa siya from the side. Yun, no? Ayan na siya. So, guys, expect na natin ang figure natin na MISB, of course, sealed with a bubble wrap. Sealed yung box natin, malinis. And of course, tignan nyo naman. Naka-clamshell pa siya. Ayan. Medyo malaki siya. Ayan. Malaki lang yung figure natin. So, lalabas natin. Lalabas ko muna. Medyo mabigat din siya. Ayan. So, close muna natin yung box. So guys, yan, nakita na natin agad yung figure. So unbox natin. So, punta na tayo agad guys sa figure review dahil tapos na tayo sa box showcase, figure review na tayo. So, dahan-dahan lang natin bubuksan yung figure natin kasi ay damage. Pero, hindi naman siguro kasi nakarap yung mga heads nila. Yung figure itself, ayan, nakikita nyo. Ayan. Maayos naman siya, naka-package. Medyo mahigpit pa yung clamshell niya. Ito, kapit yung bubble wrap sa bag. Oops. Okay. So, ganito siya. Yan. Ganyan siya, guys. Oh. So, let's check it out first. Baba muna natin. Of course, guys, meron siyang foot support. Grabe, bago pa talaga, no? Ang kinis. Ang kinis ng foot support. Very clear. Yan. So, again, guys, yung si Gohan, ayan. So, naka-plastic na siya. At the same time, naka-bubble wrap yung head ni Gohan. Kasi nga, spiky yung kanyang hair. Buksan na natin ito. Ayan. So, figure reveal na. Ready na ba ang lahat? So, ito na siya. Ayan. This is Goku. Ayan. So, start na tayo kay Goku. Yan, tignan nyo muna yung pose ni Goku. As you can see, guys, napaka eye-catching yung figure. Diba? So, parehas silang nakakameha-meha pose. So, open na rin natin muna yung isa. Oops. What's this? Ito. And then, tanggalin muna natin yung mga stickers. Nagagandahan ako sa foot support kasi very clear. Para sa akin maganda yung foot support na clear na ganito. Kasi nagvi-visible yung figure natin. So unlike nung iba na white lang siya. Gaya nung ibang nabuksan nating figure. Yan. Mas maganda yung ganito. For me ha. Kasi mangingibabaw yung ganda ng figure natin. At the same time, of course, yung color niya. Ako. Ano kaya ito? Ayan, ganyan siya. Wait lang. Ganyan figure. Dito natin ilagay. So, ingat lang tayo kasi baka mabagsak natin yung figure. Hindi rin siya tatayo. Tignan natin. So guys, unahin muna natin si Goku. Ayan. Closer look muna. Ayan. Hanggang sa likod. Yan yung details from front. Ayan, back. Yung paa, ayan siya. So, napaka-phenomenal yung pagkaka-sculpt kay Goku. Ayan. So, makikita agad natin na yung battle damage sa mga muscles ni Goku. Ayan, sa katawan niya. So, very high definition ang kanyang muscle. Pati yung kanyang facial expression, of course. Closer look natin. Ayan. So, punong-puno siya ng intense, 'di ba? So, very intense ang facial expression ni Goku habang ginagawa yung Kamehameha. Yan, Kamehameha nila. Yan. So, meron din siyang silver hair. Yan. So, napakaganda rin ng kanyang shading. Yung spikiness ng kanyang hair, very detailed. Ayan. Yan siya, guys. And guys, take note. Hindi yan facial expression, guys, may butas yung mouth ha. Hindi siya full. Alam niyo yung ibang figure na straight lang yung mukha niya. So, may mouth talaga si Goku. Pwede mo ipasok yung daliri mo dyan. Yan. So, very, very, very detailed ang kanyang pagkakasculpt. Kasi, ayan, kitang-kita mo yung ngipin, yung dilan na din niya, yung blood from the battle. Ayan. At the same time, doon sa mga muscles niya. Ayan. Meron pa dyan. Okay din yung pagkaka-sculpt ng kanyang clothes. Ayan, as you can see, damage din. May punit na din yung kanyang damit. Ayan, okay din siya. At the same time, yung color niya, okay lang din siya. Hindi siya super, alam mo yung super bright na minsan OA na yung color. Ayan. Ito, sakto lang siya. Yung shading niya, ayan, walang bleeding sa shading. Ayan. Yung paint pala, yung paint, yan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan, si Goku. So, next na tayo kay Gohan. Ayan. Baba muna natin si Goku. Ayan. So, si Gohan, guys. So, guys, look at that. The pose is very eye-catching and of course, the figure. So, si Gohan, guys, tignan niyo naman. Napaka-massive yung hair niya. Very spiky. Tapos, yung pagkaka-sculpt sa kanya, ang galing. Look. Ayan. Yan yung details sa likod, oh. Yan siya. So, ayan. Closer look natin. Ayan yung facial expression ni Gohan. So, it perfectly captures Gohan's rage and determination. So, yung details niya na G or G, yan, mga folds yung damit, battle damage, and paint application are all nicely done. Kita nyo naman, oh. Of course, from the shoe, from top to bottom, ayan. Ganda ng pagkaka-sculpt sa kanya. Ayan. Kita nyo rin yung details from the battlefield niya. Ayan yung may blood din siya. Ayan. Same sila ni Goku. Ayan. May small detail, yan, may paint din siya dyan. Yung mga details niya dyan from the side. Yan, ewan ko lang kung visible sa inyo. Yan, yung spikiness ng hair, okay. Yung mga hair niya, yung spike niya, so maganda pa. So guys, iwasan lang natin matumba yung figure natin or mahulog at makaganyan. Baka, alam niyo yung tulis niya, baka mawala. Sayang yung figure natin. Ayan siya. So guys, yung figure natin is 2 figures. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, this is the father and son doing the Kamehameha. Kamehameha. So guys, this pose creates movement, making the entire display feels alive. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman. Ayan siya. So, from every angle ng kanilang, kung titignan mo every angle ang figure natin, very good siya. So, good job. Good job sa Bandai Spirits. Oh, as you can see pala, damage na yung hand niya from Battlefield. Kaya isa na lang yung Kamehameha niya. Ayan. O, diba? So, yung paint quality niya guys, as I have said, okay siya. Yung skin tone, the muscles are very clean. Yan, very massive yung mga muscles nila. The facial expression, of course, are okay. So, minimal lang yung paint bleeding nila. Yung shading, of course, ng figure. Ayan yung mga muscles. So, you can see, makikita nyo naman sa ating figure. Very realistic yung appearance nila. So, ang ganda. Ayan siya. Ayan, hindi lang kita. Malaki kasi yung figure natin. Guys. So, actually, yung ganyan siya. Pero baka mahulog itong isa eh. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan na lang muna. Ayan, para nakaharap sa inyo. Ayan. So, guys, everything looks nicely. It's assembled. The figure is very okay. Assembled na siya. No attachment. Ayan. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang figure natin na ina-attach pa natin yung katawan or yung head nila. So, sila, ganyan na. So, sa size comparison, okay lang ako kay Goku. Ayan. Pero kay Gohan, very massive lang yung kanyang hair. Napaka laki ng hair ni Gohan. Ayan. So, sa mga Dragon Ball fans dyan, must have nyo to. Ayan. So, guys, again, ang figure natin, it has a very strong presence. And it is easily becomes one of the centerpiece again para sa ating collection. And again, this is Dragon Ball. Yan. So, dun tayo sa pros and cons nila. As I have said, okay yung pagkaka-sculpt ng kanilang figure. Yung dynamic action pose nila, it's okay. Facial expression, yan, it's okay din. And then, and of course, this is a beautiful artwork ng Dragon Ball 10th anniversary. Yan. So, and of course, it is a great value. Yan. Great display value ng ating figure. So, as I have said again, sa cons niya, malaki lang yung kanyang hair ni Gohan. So, pagka i-display nyo siya dyan, make sure you have enough space for Gohan. Kasi mas malaki siya, yan, ng konti kay Goku. Yan. So, guys, ito ang ating Dragon Ball Super 10th anniversary. Yeah. This is Master Lies, Father and Son, Kamehameha featuring Goku and Gohan. So guys, pros and cons muna tayo. As I have said kanina, amazing yung pagkakasculpt sa ating figure. And of course, yung kanilang dynamic action pose is very okay. Thumbs up tayo doon. The facial expression, okay. This is a beautiful anniversary box of artwork from Bandai Spirits. Yan. So, and of course, it has a great display value para sa ating collection. So, ayun, sa isang cons lang, very minimal lang naman kasi masasabi ko lang yung hair ni Goku. Ni Gohan pala, sorry. Yung hair ni Gohan is very massive. So, you need to be careful kasi mabigat din siya. Mas mabigat to kaysa kay Gohan. So, if you would display it sa shelves, so make it sure na mayroong enough space si Gohan sa shelf ninyo. At make it sure na lang na kagaya ng ating display. Yan. Yung paglalagyan nyo. Kasi, iwas mahulog, ganyan. Maiwas natin ma-damage yung kanyang hair. So, mas maganda siguro ilagay natin siya sa ganyang stante. Yan. Para ng ating mga figures. Kasi, protected siya from side to side and of course at the back. So, para once man matumba or mahulog siya, andyan pa rin siya. So, hindi ganun kasakit yung pagkakabagsak ni Gohan. Yan. As I have said, mas malaki si Gohan kaysa kay Goku. So, ayun lang naman. Minimal lang naman yung ating, minimal lang man yung issue natin sa ating figure. So, again guys, this is the Dragon Ball Super 10th Anniversary Masterlize Father and Son Kamehameha featuring Goku and Gohan. So guys, for our final verdict, yung scalp niya, 10 out of 10. Yung paint, maybe 9.5 or 9.5 over 10. Ayan. Display present, of course, 10 out of 10 yan. Yung value for money, maybe 9.5 over 10. So, overall natin is 9.8 out of 10. So, ibig sabihin, good job pa rin siya. Okay pa rin siya. Ayan. So, guys, if you are a Dragon Ball collector, ayan, this is the Father and Son Kamehameha scene. So, it's definitely a figure worth adding to your collection. So, again, guys, ayan siya. So, ito nga pala, hindi ko siya malagay dyan. So, support lang siya. Ayan, support siya. Hindi siya makapit kagaya ng stand ni Goku. Ayan. Nakasupport lang siya dyan, ganyan, pagka nakatayo. Ayan siya. Oops. So guys, if you enjoyed our unboxing video and review for today, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to RM Hobby Collection for more figures, more unboxing, and of course, for more reviews. So comment down below, would you add this Masterlize on your collection? And thank you for watching. And again, this is Sheng from RM Hobby Collection. And I'll see you again on my next hunt. Adios!